Oh my goodness gracious. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be working on the CB700 and we're going to try to finally figure out this clutch issue. It's been driving me crazy. So today the plan is to rebuild the slave cylinder because I think that's kind of where the culprit is. So we're going to rebuild that and hopefully get the clutch working today. So stay tuned. Cheers. We're getting brake fluid everywhere. I think the piston is seized, so that would be why this wouldn't be working. Dang, dude, this thing is really in there. There we go, my goodness. So, okay, I mean, the fact that that was seized tells me what was wrong with the clutch instantly, so that's awesome. Theoretically, once I rebuild this, I should be able to ride the bike, so that's actually super exciting. With this rebuild kit, they even give you a new, like, nipple cap. That's what she said. I'm gonna go sit all this stuff in some vinegar and then clean it a little bit. Put you in there and you in there. So I took everything out of the vinegar. I'm just kind of cleaning it a little bit now. It's already looking a lot better, which is awesome. Clean the piston now. Oh yeah, don't need this anymore. Then we've got a replacement for this little gasket thing as well. Wow, it's really in there. Holy moly. That's what she said. There we go. There's all of our new parts. They even gave us crush washers. That's awesome. And then even, I think this is grease. Yeah, look at that. That's awesome. Okay, got my new spring, new gaskets, and the nipple cover, and a brake crafter sticker. That's where I got these parts. If you're also doing this, a little bit of grease on this. It'll pop in easier. Just like that. I'm gonna grease this too in hopes that the next gasket will slide in there easier. Alright, let's try that. Oh, we're so close. Come on, you're so close.
That's what she said.
Oh, here we go, and then that goes on. Like so. Okay, so we got the new gaskets on. Now we're gonna grease this piston, and then this chamber as well. And then the spring, that only goes on one way, like that. And then like that. There we go. That's what a piston should look like. Let's go put it on the bike. Put that on there so we can bleed it. Oh. Okay, we've got a new gasket. And I'm gonna just pump this through the system to make sure everything's working. Okay, quick update. So as I was pumping the lever, I showed you guys a second of it, but I didn't want to show it again because I've already done that. The master cylinder and the lever is kind of suspect because I'm getting some leaky, like brown looking fluid coming out of the lever. So thankfully I have aftermarket clutch and brake cylinders and lever setups that came in. So I'm just going to install the aftermarket clutch lever and master cylinder setup. So we're going to cut to that. Here's my fancy new aftermarket master cylinder and lever. Okay, so quick update. So I was trying to get air out of my lines and I just absolutely could not get air out of them. And so I'm thinking that there might be a crack in the line or something. So I ordered, it's now like 2 days later, I got a new clutch line in the mail. So I'm gonna install that and go from there. Hopefully this will fix the problem, because if it doesn't, then I have no idea. Stay tuned. Cheers. old line that I think had a crack in it somewhere. Here's the new line. Finally got the air out of the system, and of course the clutch is still not engaging. I didn't film it just because I was in just like honestly a fit of rage. It's just been such a process, but I finally figured out. It's been a ton of things that I've just been kind of checking off the list. So the final thing is I opened up the clutch case, and the plates, like the friction plates, are all like rusted together. So that's gonna have to be another video because I ordered the parts. I'm waiting for them. That's literally the final thing that could be stopping this clutch from engaging and working is that basket. So I've rebuilt the slave cylinder, I've replaced the line, the clutch master cylinder. The last thing is just to rebuild that basket, and then we're gonna finally get this thing on the road. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.